So my name is Charlotte Leon.
So my name is Yvonne.
Hello, my name is Mary.
My name is Tatjana.
I'm Joe.
My name is Mateusz.
Hi, my name is Rala Durain.
Yeah, I'm Joanna Giger.
It's really amazing because first of all you think maybe a fashion brand and the Berlin club world, how does this fit together?
So it doesn't matter how you look, if you're skinny or fat or whatever, it's fine. Everybody is the same. Yes, I met Patrizia yesterday and today, and in Germany we say that the silent waters are deep, and this is how I would describe her.
Freedom is to me to be whoever you want to be, to express yourself and to do whatever you want, what makes you happy, until it not stops the freedom of someone else.
And I feel like I'm reborn here. And now to express myself with my dance, with my emotion.
It's a collection of freaks. We're all different, but we all come together in different sides of creativity. And I got also the same feeling from Patrizia.
Freedom is to have the chance to express yourself on each way, to don't feel this judgment on your shoulders because you're doing something what is actually not connected with the standards.
Get influenced by each other, and it's just amazing. I really see how she loves what we're doing and also what she's doing.